How do we accelerate discovery of carbon capture materials? How do we build high density batteries? How can we develop personalized medicines? For answering all these problems, we need novel materials that can solve these high end applications. Welcome to Qpiai AI Matter. Let's take a walkthrough to our cloud based AI accelerated material discovery platform empowered by machine learning and quantum compute. To get started, we enter our user credentials to sign into the platform. The home page showcases the microservices for specific tasks in the sidebar. For the application we seek to solve, the user can use a variety of these services in any combination to create a workflow as shown in the main page. Workflows are built for specific applications as required by the customer. We currently have designed workflows for discovering materials relevant for carbon capture, retrosynthesis, solar cells, and catalysis. Let's take a deeper look at our microservices to understand our workflows better. Qpiai Mine. Let's start with Qpiai Mine, the indispensable microservice for all workflows. Qpiai Mine scours the internet searching for relevant literature on a user-defined topic. It extracts relevant properties and can create a curated database serving as the foundation for training data required by machine learning tools that accelerate material discovery. Designed for ease of use, simply enter the article's URL and click Submit. Using advanced language learning models, Qpiai Mine comprehends the contents of the paper, generating relevant keywords and extracting essential properties. The extraction engine runs to provide you with a concise summary, captures keywords, extracts properties, and stores them in a backend database. Using Qpiai Mine, researchers can effectively gather valuable information, building a comprehensive database of properties that fuels the training sets required by machine learning tools. This enables the acceleration of material discovery, empowering scientists to explore new frontiers with unprecedented efficiency. Qpiai Mine is the driving force behind knowledge acquisition and literature mining. It builds the foundation for accelerating material discovery. Qpiai Reacts. Qpiai Reacts, the advanced tool designed for studying reactions and unraveling their intricate pathways. Reaction Mapper and Product Prediction enables us to predict the products, the yields of reactions, providing valuable insights into chemical transformations. Built using cutting-edge transformer models and attention mappers, using Reacts is incredibly straightforward. Simply input the reaction smiles and let the microservice do its magic. In an instant, you'll receive a comprehensive output detailing the various products that can be generated for the given reactants, along with the probability of their formations. With Qpiai Reacts, researchers can delve into the complex pathways of industrial reactions, gaining a deep understanding of their mechanisms. The knowledge enables us to fine-tune reactions, optimize yields, and enhance the overall process efficiency. Whether you're exploring novel synthesis routes, designing new catalysts, or unraveling the complexities of organic reactions, Qpiai Reacts empowers you to predict the insights needed to drive innovation. Qpiai Predict. Let's deep dive into Qpiai Predict, driven by state-of-the-art deep learning models. Within Qpiai Predict, you'll find specialized modules trained to predict specific properties of desired molecules and materials, including band gap, CO2N2 selectivity, Henry coefficient, formation energies, and bulk moduli. Among all services, property prediction stands as the cornerstone for material discovery. Leveraging databases curated from Qpiai Mine and optimized using Qpiai Force, we can accurately calculate the properties relevant to various applications across chemical industries. Users select the desired property, CO2N2 selectivity, and enter the unique material ID. Additionally, they can set a threshold value to filter materials that may not be relevant for their specific application. Once the material ID and the threshold has been set, Qpiai Predict swiftly gets to work. Qpiai Predict provides us accurate property predictions, enabling researchers to make informed decisions and accelerate their materials exploration. Qpiai Predict helps us visualize the material and also gives us the relevant properties that need to be calculated. Qpiai Predict plays a major role in material selection and design with great efficiency and accuracy. Qpiai Gen. Now, let's explore Qpiai Gen, the generative microservice that allows you to create new molecules with targeted properties. Using AI, we enable inverse design of materials and molecule generation. With our intuitive interface, simply input the desired property and select the value of the property that needs to be generated. Once the user picks the number of molecules they need to novelly generate, Qpiai Gen gets to work right away. From cosmetics to aerospace and explosive material identification, Qpiai Gen finds instant application across various fields. One can instantly visualize novel materials, and these can be given as input for Qpiai Force for further quantum mechanical simulations. With Qpiai Gen, scientists and researchers across diverse industries unlock new possibilities and solve complex challenges. Experience the future of molecular design at your fingertips. Qpiai Force. Qpiai Force is our in-house material simulation engine that combines the power of machine learning with quantum mechanical simulations. With Qpiai Force, we accelerate calculations by 100 to 1000x compared to classical computation. This enables us to screen a large number of materials in short time spans. The groundbreaking service finds wide application in all areas of computational chemistry, making it an indispensable tool for researchers in energy materials, catalysis, nanoparticles, carbon capture, and more. To demonstrate the capabilities of Qpiai Force, let's take a closer look at the adsorption of a small molecule on a catalyst surface. Here we input CO2 over the catalyst surface of zinc oxide 111, a classic calculation necessary to understand the mechanism of the behavior of a small molecule on a surface catalyst. Using Qpiai Force, we can calculate various properties associated with this process as displayed here, providing valuable insights for material design and optimization. Whether it's understanding the behavior of energy materials, exploring catalytic reactions, studying nanoparticles, developing carbon capture technologies, or advancing drug discovery, Qpiai Force empowers researchers to delve into the intricacies of computational chemistry with remarkable efficiency. Qpiai Force will help transform the landscape of material transformation and accelerate scientific discoveries. Now that we understand the Qpiai microservices, let's see how we can customize them to the needs of any material discovery application. The design of this platform is in such a way that the plug-and-play model of microservices in a variety of combinations can lead to new material discovery application softwares. Right-click on the window to showcase the variety of options available. Let's design a custom workflow to screen materials that are experimentally stable based on their formation energy. Select the module that loads the material IDs. Now, right-click and select another module to relax the structures for initial screening. Now, the third module will be the formation energy module used for optimization of these materials using Qpiai Force. Finally, right-click to select the module that will save all the outputs in a database. Connect the different modules together to create a data flow pipeline as shown here. On the top of the screen, Click on the execute command to create a custom workflow that suits the need of any application. Once we hit execute, a final code is displayed at the bottom of the screen. This is the computational graph that can be plugged into any computational software to execute Qpiai Matter's capabilities. Hope this gives you a complete overview of Qpiai Matter. For material discovery softwares tailored for your applications, reach out to Qpiai AI through our website. Thank you for exploring Qpiai Matter with us.